Good morning!
Good morning!
Okay guys, so for today's video, magbubukas ako ng letter. Itong letter na to, this is from the police district, Polite district. Yeah, so ito na yung aming iniintay. Okay.
They would kindly ask you to leave.
From the immigration.
Joke
Go
lang,
home.
Joke lang.
Go home, Wang. Okay, I'll open this. Is it the right way?
I rebuke that.
Yeah, it's not gonna be like that. The sound kasi they cut it here. Yeah.
Kaya today?
Hoy! Yeah, it's gonna be. Sure. Woo! This is it, Pansin. Okay, guys, so are you ready? Charis. Wait, here's the English.
This is English.
I was looking at the Norwegian, guys, so I will read here. This is your... Look at that, guys. Residence card! Residente na ako ng Norway! Yay! Clap your hands! I'm so happy!
Kick off!
so
Come here, boy!
Yeah, so guys...
Celebrate! Come on!
So guys,
Celebrate! Come on!
Yes.
Celebrate!
Umiyak na kasi ako kanina, kaya hindi na ako naiiyak ngayon. Pero, guys, eto na! And I have my card here, so I will not show you the... Yeah, marami kasi mga numbers. Alam nyo na! So it says here, this is your residence card. The card is proof that you have the right to stay in Norway. This is why you must take good care of it. Make sure the information in the card is the same as in your passport. So happy. So I will remove this like.
Who's that?
Wait, let me just cover this and I can show this to them. Sino ka dyan, girl? Yay! Thank you, Yahweh. Thank you, Lord. Napakaganda ng aking residence card. So, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for praying for us. That's all for today's video. Say ha de bra, Kiga.
Ha det bra!
Ha de bra!